Why don't more builders do floors like this? She creates a curved wood floor using long, narrow strips bent to match the arc perfectly. But how are those strips made? After cutting long boards, she rips them down into individual slats. This process makes the wood flexible enough to bend smoothly without cracking. She spreads plenty of wood glue. It takes real patience to build this one layer at a time. Nikki is a skilled craftswoman, but she's not finished yet. She sands the entire surface and carefully oils the floor. That's what makes the grain come alive. Honestly, have you ever seen flooring like this?